What was it like selling your house to Home Buyer Louisiana?
Well, it's been a journey because I initially called them like a year ago and just asking questions. And Arione has been calling me just to give us, check and see what's going on. Are we still interested? So I'm just very thankful that we kept in contact. It's been really, really easy. It's been really smooth. It's been a smooth transaction. And it's been they did a great job of getting everything done. So I'm very, very happy with the outcome.
And how was Ariane? Did you enjoy having Ariane look after you?
Yes, she was great. She was great. I told her, I was like, they need to give you a raise because you've been calling me for over a year. She needs a raise.
you walked in, you're like, hey, we're like family now because we were talking on the phone before.
We've been talking on the phone for a long time. Yes, she's been great in checking up on us. And you too, because she's like, let me talk to my boss.
We talked about your house for a while, yeah.
Together, and it's like, okay, well then let's make it happen. And I'm just really thankful that you guys made it happen.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. Thank you.
Bye.